shall not steal. You shall not steal. For our God will supply everything that you need. You shall not steal. What does this mean for us? We are to fear and love our God, so that we do not take our neighbor's money or property.